You have bought yourself a new or used saddle chair and now you need the guidance to make it suitable for you. Good that you are in here. First, we need to put the height adjustment to good. From lateral perspective, you need to have all those elements in same vertical line. Heels, middle point of the pelvis and lower part of the cervical spine in same line. Then we are quite close for the optimal seating height. The most issues come from the different pipe structures. With Salli, there is 3 options: short, medium and large pipe, what fits to different size of the persons. If you are not able to adjust the height enough, then you should be considering to change the pipe to different. In those cases, these kind of tools will be good in use. When we got good seating height in place, then we need to figure out how we can have the comfortable feeling under our glutes. I have a Salli's small wing fit chair in use, and if your pelvis is a bit more wider, then 6 cm can be provided with bying's wing fit chair when there is more space for the pelvis. In this model, adjustment of the width can be done under this level. Lift it up and then roll the handle under the lift. When the pelvis is in good contact with the upper part of the chair, then the feeling should be comfortable and it should suit your need. Under the seating part on the left side, there should be rotating roller. With this roller enables the swing mechanism. That is, if you are doing the work what requires precision and the seat is not allowed to swing, then tightening the handle, the pendulum mechanism can be deactivated. However, if you do light work and like the idea that it can swing comfortably, then you can open the ring and it enables swing mechanism. I think Salli's ideology is great. You can easily change the part if you need it, or if you buy used chair, for example changing the upholstery can add easily new look to the used tool. The mechanisms are so well built that they will certainly withstand use. And you have to give manufacturer a big thumbs up for this. If you want to have more information about buying the saddle chair, you can find the buying guide in the link at the end of this video. Strong recommendation for it. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. More material related to health and ergonomics will be available within 2 weeks. See you next time.